Paano kung maipit ka sa gitna ng dalawang kaibigang may alitan? At saksi ka sa totoong pangyayari kung paano ito nagsimula?
It was a conversation among friends.
Kanino ka kakampi kung pareho silang nasaktan?
Nasasaktan lang ako para sa pamilya ni Eric.
Hindi ko po sariling kwento. Ito ay nanggagaling sa mga tabloids, usap-usapan ng mga tao. And I'm sorry kung nasaktan kita. I want you to know that I am also hurt.
Ang kahapon ayon sa kanyang nasaksihan, Regine Velasquez, kakanta na, live!
Kasama na po natin for the very first time ang highly stressed out na woman because of this interview na si Regine Velasquez. Hi, Regine.
Hello. Hindi ako sanay na nasa gitna ako ng... Hindi, actually sanay pala ako.
But
Pero hindi ako
this
sanay na
time,
witness.
It's not about you.
That's not about me, no?
Oo. Ever since this intrigue started, Regine, ang lagi nilang minimension na ay tatlo ang cast of characters dito sa storyang ito.
Oo.
Peachy being one of them, Goma being the other, tapos ikaw, yung third.
Nakakatawa.
Ano ba talaga nangyari, Regine?
First of all, ang alam ko lang yung nangyari. I didn't know kung ano yung nangyari after. Because I was out of touch. Medyo na busy ako. And then I got hospitalized. Nagkasakit ako. So pagbalik ko, medyo malaki na. So hindi ko alam. Yung totoo talaga nangyari, siguro nakalimutan ni Goma. Actually, hindi nangyari yan sa dressing room.
Ng SOP?
Ng SOP. It happened on stage. Because we were preset kami. Buti na lang natatandaan ko to. Normally, nakakalimutan ko. Preset kami kasi we were gonna... Nagsayaw kami that time eh. Ang partner ko si Richard. Whenever I see Richard, this is my usual line to him. Anong bagong chismis? Hindi talaga, chismosa talaga ako. Pero since makakalimutin ako, nababaon naman sa akin. Hindi ko na na-ikukwento dahil nakakalimutan ko. So, nung time na yon, kasi hindi kami nagkita backstage, nakita kami sa stage niya, siya yung nagtanong sa akin. Kasi nga, he knows that I'm very close to Peachy. So, tinanong niya sa akin, nadinig mo ba yung chismis tungkol kay Rufa May, kay Peachy at kay Eric? I'm sorry, but I have to mention his name.
Okay.
Kay Eric.
I think they know.
It's okay. Kasi ayoko, kasi love ko yun eh, si Eric eh. So, sabi niya sa akin, totoo ba yun? Sabi ko, alam ko na that time na they're together. Pero hindi ko masabi kay Richard. Kasi syempre, sinabi yan sa akin ni Peachy in confidence. So, hindi ko masabi sa kanya. So, I just said, parang, And then he said, di ba ang chismis sa kanya, ganun siya.
Okay.
Tama-tama, dumadating si Peachy. Naginaganyanan ko siya, hindi niya nakuha. Natural, nadinig ni Peachy.
Okay.
And he did it again kasi it was very, very noisy sa sa studio kasi may banda na nagpe-play. So he thought I didn't hear. Kasi I was just looking at him like that. I was looking at him trying to stop it. Signal him. Kasi andun sa tapat niya. As in, tapat niya si Peachy. Sabi niya, hindi ba ganun? Sabi ko, hanggang nadinig na talaga ni Peachy. Lumingon si Peachy and said, Hoy, hindi.
Okay.
Ganun pa yun. Hoy, hindi siya ganun, no? And then, gumanon siya. na obviously upset.
She was obviously upset.
Obviously upset because ang thinking ko that time, maybe she thought nagpaparinig si Richard. Kasi katapat niya eh. But in fairness to Richard, he didn't know that she was already there. Although lumilingon siya, feeling ko hindi niya nakikita si Peachy because he was so engrossed with his story eh. He was asking me. Tsaka since hindi niya nga alam na they're together, tinanong niya si Peachy mismo, Hoy, totoo ba yun? Ginanon niya dito. Hoy, totoo ba yun? So
he asked her herself?
He asked him. Oo. Tapos, di parang naano na ako. I felt bad for Peachy already. Pero, alam mo, in fairness to Richard, I don't think it's intentional. Kasi nakita ko si Peachy padating eh. Hindi niya nakita eh. And since hindi niya alam that Peachy and Eric are together, akala niya all the while it's just chismis. So, tinanong lang niya. So, ganun lang yung buong pangyayari. Hindi naman sinasadya.
So you don't think, Regina, that Richard was being intentionally offensive?
I don't think he was intended for Peachy to hear it. And I don't think, yun nga, alam niya na may namamagitan between Peachy and otherwise, he would have stopped. Siguro naman he'd be
Otherwise,
sensitive.
He wouldn't have asked her
Yeah, he wouldn't
himself,
have
diba?
asked him or herself. And also, parang I think he would be sensitive enough to, alam mo yun, para wag naman, kasi syempre mahal mo na yung tao. So I just said to him, when he asked Peachy that question, I said, "Uy, wag ka naman ganyan, love ko yun, mabait yun, super bait yun." Kasi mabait naman talaga yun. Sobra naming love my whole family and even si Pops, sobrang love namin niya. Kasi nakasama namin yun sa States. Talagang ang bait-bait ng bata. Ang bait, sobrang bait. Na sabi ko kay Peachy, ikaw, bubunutin ko isa-isa yung tilik mata mo. Pag hinurt mo yan, sabi kong ganun. But
Reg, after the incident, did you think na magkakaroon ng malaking
I didn't know.
problema between
As
the
a
two
matter
of
of
them?
fact, I forgot all about it. I forgot all the whole incident. I didn't... Although, alam mo, after that whole incident, Richard went to the dressing room. Siguro parang trying to... Kasi hindi niya alam eh.
Make amends.
Parang ganyan, no? But
To Peachy.
Oo, pero syempre, Peachy is hurt na rin, diba? Kasi
Ako
ang
nga talaga
akala
siya
naman,
hurt.
ang akala naman ni Peachy, pinaparinggan siya ni Richard. So, medyo hindi lang nagkaintindihan ng konti. And since ako nga yung witness, ito yung talagang nangyari. But, yun lang yung alam ko. Yung ibang things, hindi ko na alam.
Okay, Regine, thank you very much for clearing up this...
I hope that
clearing up
will...
this story kasi...
hopefully nga, it will straighten up, everything. And hopefully, wala naman ako nasagasaan. Because I would never naman say anything that would hurt my friend Peachy and would also naman hurt Richard, who's also my friend. And ayokong magsabi na pareho silang masasagasaan. So, ito lang po yung na-witness ko at ito lang yung nangyari. I think pareho nilang hindi sinasadyang magkasakitan or si Richard hindi niya sinasadya na madinig ni Peachy yung sinabi niya. And same thing with Peachy, hindi niya sinasadyang masaktan. Boyfriend niya po si Eric and natural, magre-react siya na gano'n kasi hindi niya naman alam.
Mamaya po makakasama pa natin si Regine.
Meron pa?
Yes! You don't get off that easily. Pero at least, Regine, the facts about the story, how it happened, saan nangyari, malinaw na sa aming lahat. Ngayon, ang kailangan lang po nating malaman talaga, kung ano po talaga ang nangyari sa mga isipan ng mga iba pang
Ng
cast of
dalawang
characters
involved.
ni Peachy at ni Goma, kung bakit hindi sila agad nag-usap, kung bakit hindi na nila na-clarify ito maaga pa lang para hindi na lumaki yung issue. Kaya po, sa pagbabalik po ng S-Files, makakausap naman natin si Rufa May Quinto. Diyan na po.
Next attraction, isang sama ng loob ng kaibigan.